Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Honestly, I had an intro for this video, but it's not in my phone. I did not record it on my phone. So yeah, let's pretend that this is my intro. But yeah, I'm going to be filming a vlog about my day today. And I know it's been 2 years since I filmed a vlog. My last one legit flopped. And honestly, I'm not really sure if someone's going to watch this vlog or anyone at all. And I'm legit doing math while editing this video. Anyways, this video also includes unboxing. But yeah, without further ado, let's get started with the video. And we're gonna skip to the part where I'm at the car. Okay, so right now I am in the car with my sister here, and oh my gosh, she's saying hi! And boom, now we are at the location that I'm going to be vlogging in. Sup guys? Anyways, I'm gonna get out of the car. Are you serious with your reels? What do you think about the clothes? Yeah. There's so many clothes here. There's even these pants, which is wow. What? I know you love jogging. Seriously? Y'all, we're walking in. I remember to film finally. What do you think about your Starbucks? Oh, 因为我就是不要。Oh. Okay, y'all, I'm just gonna say that I am not gonna do a haul because I only got 3 shirts and the rest of them aren't even mine. So I'm not gonna do a haul, but instead we're gonna be opening my packages, which is what I'm gonna do now. Let's go. Okay, y'all, so this is the package, one of them. I think it's my birthday gift or something because it says 60 cm blue shark. So I'm gonna open this. Okay guys, so this is what's inside. It's obviously a shark, which we are still going to open. We have another package. It came on the same day, which makes me go, what the fuck? But let's unbox it or open it. I don't know. The only problem is I don't got a tripod, so you have to see me unbox it from this angle or open it. I don't know. Bought those small knives. Okay, wow. Let's get it out. These other ones are for my mom's birthday, but for these, I'm gonna open these because these are personally for myself. But firstly, I got this glue tape because glue tapes are really nice. So I love glue tapes. we're gonna put that aside. And I got this cute minimalistic looking notebook, which I'm also going to open if I can find a way to open it. Okay. Yeah. It looks like this on the inside. I honestly thought the lines would be thicker, but oh well, this is how it looks like. Okay, I have new packages here, and we're gonna open it. We're gonna start with this one because it's yellow, and yellow is nice. So let's go! Style.
Oh my god, guys.
This box is so cute, but kind of, you know. It's so pretty! Now we're gonna open this one, and we're gonna open it all together later. So let's go! Oh my god, the packaging is so pretty. And we have... it's so cute! Okay, now I'm going to pick which one I'm going to unbox. Ito ba sa ni? So, ini siya, nag-sticker. Ito sa ni yun ito. We have some Sanrio poster stickers. A small freaking poster, but that works. Some stickers, an envelope, and these are so cute, guys. We have more stickers, more stickers. These cute paper thingies, a sticky notepad, this, a pen, and another sticker. Hey guys, now we have this one, and I'm gonna film it with one hand, which is going to be harder for me to unbox this. But bear with me, y'all. My sister is gone. She can't be my tripod anymore. And yeah, let's open this up. Let's open this bad boy up. And I got this for like 10 ringgit. And honestly, I thought it would be better. Like, look at the sticker. But still not bad, honestly. Okay, for this one, we have another poster. Cute and stuff, I guess. Oh my god. This is how it looks like. We're gonna put it on the side. And for this one, we have another of these cute little pins wrapped in bubble wrap with this cute Pacheco tape. We have another shiny Cinnamoroll sticker.
More stickers. Whatever this is. Oh my god, I got it. This pampering hair tie. A few Pacheco stickers and these cute little thingies. I'm not even sure what they are. Notepad. More stickers, which I'm gonna leave there. A pen, which is like really cute. I can't lie. This notebook and the same Hello Kitty stickers. More stickers and this.